Why Bangladesh is not performing well in ODIs? In recent times, Bangladesh is not performing well in one-day international. So this is gonna be a really threatening issues for us and matter of concern for us and Bangladesh. And Bangladesh's main format is ODIs, and where exactly we are not performing. I will show some reasons why Bangladesh is not performing well in ODIs, especially. You know that before 2023 World Cup, Bangladesh ODI side was one of the best side in the world. I mean, top 3 and top 4 side in the world. But suddenly, after that World Cup debate, after that debatable exclusion of Tamim Iqbal and later part of the year exclusion of Shakib Al Hasan, Bangladesh is struggling. And at the same time, we are missing out some key players like Mushfiqur Rahim, Nazmul Hussain Shanto and Mustafizur Rahman and Taskin Ahmed also not playing in last ODI. So overall scenario is not good for Bangladesh and Bangladeshi fans, because our main format is one-day international. So why we are not performing? I just show and I just gave this close that some star players, they are not playing, and with the absence of those star players, Bangladesh is struggling in recent times. You just have a look. Bangladesh suffer a one-day series loss against England, where Bangladesh whitewashed England in this series. In that series, Bangladesh got whitewashed Bangladesh got 2-1 defeat against England, and after that Bangladesh suffered a 2-1 loss against Afghanistan at their home, also in away later part of the year. I mean, just couple of months ago, 1 month ago, against Afghanistan in Dubai and Sharjah, especially in Sharjah. So the record is not good. Bangladesh is struggling in ODIs. You have to admit this reality. Why we are not performing well? The format we just want to play, and our record was very good. So this is the main reason. I just want to show some relatable things. When Australia's main players, I mean Shane Warne, Glenn McGrath, Ricky Ponting, Damien Martin and some other star players were retiring from the national side. Australian team was also struggling. Their record was not good in 2005 and 2007 and 2010. So it's going to be really challenging after the retirement of Mahela Jayawardene, Kumar Sangakkara, Aurobindo De Silva, Tilakaratne Dilshan, Lasith Malinga. Sri Lankan team suffered nearly 5-6 years. Just recently, Sri Lankan teams are performing well under the coaching of Sana Jayasuriya. So does happen to Bangladesh. So don't worry about that. Bangladesh will come back, because you have to give them time, because with the absence of Shakib Al Hasan and Tamim Iqbal, they are just coping with the situation. So you need time. You have to give time, and I'm really confident that Bangladesh will do better in the future, because you have some very strong pipeline, because your under-19 team is performing very well in recent times. So thank you very much for watching. Crickline will be back with another video. Good luck for Bangladesh.